Okay, friends, let's look at the problems on the back. We want to read these problems carefully. A pilot wanted to know about how many kilometers he flew on his last 3 flights. So from New York City to London, he flew 5,572 kilometers. Then from London to Beijing, he flew 8,147 kilometers. Finally, he flew 10,996 kilometers from Beijing back to NYC. Record each number to the nearest 1,000. Then find the sum of the rounded numbers to estimate about how many kilometers the pilot flew. So this is a 2-step problem. The first step is we need to round all those numbers that he flew to the nearest 1,000. So let's look at that right here. (5,372) rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 6,000. So you're looking at the thousands place. You could use the vertical number line. You could draw that on your own to solve it, but here 8,147 is closer to 8,000. 10,996, that 996 gives you the clue, is closer to 11,000. That's step 1. Step 2, we need to add all these rounded numbers to get about how many, right? So when we add all those digits up, all those numbers, we get to 25,000. So your final answer is the pilot flew about 25,000 miles. Make sure your answer is in a sentence. Remember, you can pause your video at any time to work out problems. And you could also rewind it too, to watch again. All right, let's look at number 3. Mrs. Smith's class is learning about healthy eating habits. The students learned that the average child should consume about 12,000 calories each week. Okay. Carrie ate 12,748 calories last week. Tyler ate 11,702 calories last week. Round to the nearest 1,000 to find out who ate closer to the recommended number of calories. Okay, so here's the recommended amount. That's your target number. So first we need to round these 2 numbers to the nearest 1,000. And this one's Carrie, this one's Tyler. Carrie's endpoints are 13,000 and 12,000 because this was her, how much she ate. So 13,000 is, 12,748 is rounded to 13,000. Tyler's endpoints are 12,000, 11,000. His number is right here. It's closer to 12,000. So Carrie is 13,000, Tyler is 12,000. Who's closer to 12,000? Tyler. Ate closer to the recommended number of calories. So Tyler is the answer there. You don't have to write as much words, but there should be something here that Tyler ate closer to the recommended amount of calories. And the last one, the cost of tuition at Cornell University is $43,000 per year. When rounded to the nearest 1,000, what is the greatest possible amount the tuition could be? What is the least possible amount the tuition could be? Okay, this one's a thinker one. So if you're rounding this number to the nearest 1,000, your endpoints are going to be 44, 42. Your midpoint is 42,500. Okay, so 42,500 is the least possible amount. Your greatest is going to be 43,500. This one's a little tricky because our endpoints, well, I'm sorry, the midpoint should be 43,000. Oh, I see what they're doing. They're kind of expanding it. Yeah. That's a great brain one to figure out.